Easy to assemble two-tone sturdy wooden art table with shelves, 4 built-in paint cup holders, paper roll dispenser, and 2 matching wooden chairs, sized for kids, includes 75-foot long paper roll. Tabletop natural wood finish, white legs. Natural wood finish on seats, bright white legs and seat backs. Perfect for art projects of all kinds. Storage shelves keep supplies handy and are great for quick cleanup. Assemble with just a Phillips head screwdriver, not included. Power tools not recommended. Sized for ages 3 to 8. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy, quality material. Just assembled it and it's pretty easy to put together. All holes align really well and the bolts and table material are very sturdy. I'm a large guy and I could probably stand on the table and chairs without them budging. And there was particular attention that it could be put together with large bolts without the need for additional washers, less little parts. Can't wait for the little one to come home and test it out.